Now you got your answer now. Why I'm called Gyan Baba? Because of this.
If Ganguly accepts it, then you are seriously there. Another question to you, Zach. You are the only cricketer who, before marriage. Yeah, I've done statistics. It's proved. Is there a Gyans in that also?
You're the only one who could give attention to these kind of things. So,
My statistics is different. Comes from View Analytics.
well, I would say, fast bowling in subcontinent is very, very tough. So I knew that, I can only focus on one thing at a time. Either
Yeah,
it's
baat hai.
bowling or getting married and having kids and running after them. So I thought I better run up to the wicket and bowl.
But getting married is not tough. Getting married is not tough in
The
India.
thing which comes with
In
that,
subcontinent,
after
it's
that is
easy.
tough. You have the
There's
experience.
so many
of it.
girls were following you, but you didn't pick one.
I was too focused on the game.
And is that the reason? What is interesting about these two gentlemen is while they were playing cricket, they became businessmen. And they're one of the few businessmen in the cricketing circles who actually invest their own money.
Yeah, we did. We did.
They don't believe in sweat equity, they believe in real equity, and that's the reason Viru runs a very successful international school. A round of applause for Sehwag International School. Zahir Khan runs to a chain of restaurants as well as a fitness. What is the funda? Restaurants and fitness together?
So you can eat and bun.
Actually, a lot of business people are sitting here. So it's a great strategy. So you first, give them food, make sure it's nice and rich food they eat. They become nice and plump, and then you tell them, no, now you have to work out. So get in the gym.
What kind of integration is this? Forward, vertical, anybody? Last question to you, Zach. Everybody tells me in and around, I've spoken to a lot of Australian cricketers also, that Zahir Khan don't consider him as a meek guy. He will do it his style, but he'll still sledge. And this is something Matthew Hayden told me once. Is there a reason behind why the Aussies say that he still has to say what he has to, but he doesn't stay in a very camera-friendly way?
Well, sledging doesn't always mean that you have to go and use bad words and stuff like that. When I was playing on the field, I always used to find ways of kind of like how Viru was talking about it, just about 30 seconds, when you focus on the delivery. And if you can just kind of disrupt their concentration around that time, you give yourself better chance. So I used to find ways of just kind of, saying things which might just help in disrupting their concentration, and I end up picking up wickets.
Fabulous. Is there an example you can give?
Credit goes to me.
But coming back to you, Viru, singing a song and then batting was your way of concentrating and meditating. So I'll give you a test right now. I will create 3 situations for you, and you have to select a song which you sang during your playing days and sing it for us.
I think for this, I think these people should go to our show, What the Duck, and they have to watch it. So we don't miss out this opportunity to market our show.
Very good.
So people can go and watch What the Duck.
So
they get what kind of singer I was, or what kind of songs I was singing on the What the Duck.
Done. So I shall not ask you that question here. Round of applause for Zahir Khan and Virendra Sehwag. Thank you very much, gentlemen. I must tell you that whenever I need a fillip in terms of my career, these guys always supported me. And this time they've not even asked for equity. Thank you very much once again, Virendra Sehwag, Zahir Khan. Round of applause.
I have a couple of questions before we wrap up proceedings. One for Viru here. Viru, बहुत सारे hosts को आपने experience किया है in your cricketing days, even now. सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि विक्रम साठे किस किस्म का host है और किस किस्म का anchor है, and what is the difference between him and me? Cricket anchor?
मेरे
Cricket
साथ
anchor.
competition?
नहीं ऐसे ही पूछ रही हूँ, जानना चाहती हूँ. ये अब अलग किस्म का
The
सवाल.
only difference I look at, he's without hair and you have lots of hair, and I have a less hair.
Okay.
तो हमारी evolution ऐसे
So,
होती है.
but everybody wants to be a part of any show who's hosted by a beautiful girl, a beautiful lady like you. So thank you. I know we did so many shows with Sade, but we never looked look at his face. You're always looking at the public. But whenever I did, I was looking at you.
Thank you, Viru,
Kya
for those
baat
very
hai.
kind words.
This was just to spite me, no?
No. This was just to find out what kind of host you are. I really want to see what the duck. Okay, Zach. Now you tell me, what was the hardest question that Vikram asked you in the show, in that 12-minute episode? Because he kind
Actually,
of, you know,
I don't even remember. I'll have to watch the show again. What the duck. I'm waiting for it to come out so that I can go and have a look at it. See
Did you
how I
ask
was
some like
reacting.
non-cricket questions to him?
He's not even shown me the show as yet.
Permission. so legally he has to show us, and then we have to give him in writing.
Everything's on hold at the moment. Oh dear.
No, we are joking.
I'm sorry I asked that
We are
question.
joking. No, we
तुम्हें
give
यही करना था।
Sorry. But Vikram, I want to ask you, what did you do to Zach that he smiles so much? Because I've not seen him smile this much in his entire cricketing career.
What
As
did
I've
I-
seen him smile today on stage.
What did I do to Zach?
I don't
I
know.
didn't do anything.
No, I did to myself. I retired from the game. I said, now I
That's why
can
he's-
smile.